Hey everyone, welcome to Nuts About Cars at Home. So, as you guys know, my last item that I filmed or unboxed and put together was a knee scooter that I bought for my wife. She fell, she broke her ankle, and she's not going to have surgery till next week. But she's been wanting to go to work just to get out of the house, so she can do some work from home. But with her line of work, she kind of has to go. She has to be in the office. And sorry about the camera moving, but the dog decided to just out on the floor, so he's taking up all the room. But anyways, so we needed something that was a little bit more handy, like a regular wheelchair. But I had to make sure that I got a wheelchair that had the leg support that you can lift. So that was really important to us. And I found one on Amazon and at a really good price. Now, I don't know what I'm getting here, but this is it's from drivemedical. You guys can see that. It's an 18-inch seat, which is perfect for my wife because she's a very tiny human. I don't even think she's 16 inches wide compared to me. I'm going to unbox this today and see how much assembly is going to need it. I'm hoping not a whole lot. I'm hoping that it's just smushed together and I just got to open it up and it's a wheelchair, but it's probably never that easy. So anyways, let's see here. Yep, Drive Medical. I did this. Yeah, there you go. So let's see what gives with this thing. So I never put the tools away from when we put together that scooter. So that was just the other day. Maybe it was last week, but I think we're going to start out with our razor blade or our cutter blade. I don't want to sound like a parent, but you got to really be careful with these things because I don't trust them. They cut so good, but they slip. So can we just lift this up? Oh yeah. See what I mean? I already jabbed myself on those staples. Okay, I'm gonna check. I only check my phone to make sure that I'm filming good, and I really don't have a better way to do it, and I'm sorry. Yeah, I think you guys can see like the staples. Okay, I'll get better. The important thing is that if any of you guys need a wheelchair, I see a box of parts. Already see a box of parts. Okay, and if you hear the dog barking, it's been a crazy couple of days. Alright, so. Well, this isn't a bad box of parts. This is just the leg supports. So maybe that's all I have to attach. Right. I don't think so. Yeah. Alright, I'm just going to toss this box outside. You guys can see it is in a bag, but it's whole. So doesn't look like I need to put together too much here. I'm actually kind of excited. Kind of excited for my wife here, actually. There she is. Let's unwrap it. Pam, you gotta go outside, buddy? You wanna go outside? You got your milk bone in your mouth? Here, I'll grab. Give me your milk. Come on, let's go outside. Let's go outside. Give me your milk bone. They are like having more kids. There we go. You know, guys, I don't really see any instructions here, so I'm thinking the only thing I gotta do is attach those wheels. There she is. I like it. Well, let's see. Oh my God, it's just it's all put together. And then she can, you know what, the reason I got this one is that it has the ability for her to roll up to her desk at work and she can take the handles out. Look at that. And that's the reason I got this one, because she wants to use it at work. And that, my friends, is invaluable, even for getting in and out of it. So she can lift them both out of the way. See that? Just roll up to a desk, or easy in, easy out. They snap right in. She can do it all on her own. She's got to go to the ladies' room or something. Brakes, oh, they're brand new. She's not going to be able to apply these brakes. Oh, yeah, she will. Well, when you're sitting, she'll have the leverage. So, see what I'm talking about? The brakes are kind of tough, so be prepared for that. Let's see here. Yeah, I can pull it, so when she's sitting in it, she'll be pushing it. It'll be fine. Oh, wow. It's impressive. So let's see how the leg supports work. You know, and it's nice and narrow, so I'm hoping that it'll work in the house, too. All right, let's get some of this stuff off of here. Bluestreakwheelchair. I'm telling you guys, this is a lot more affordable than I thought it was going to be. I could tell you that around here, they were going to charge $70 a week to rent one of these things. And I got to tell you, in a week and a half, this paid for itself. Definitely not a bad deal. 3-year limited warranty. DriveMedical. Port Washington, New York. It's made, looks like it's made in China, but it's an American company. Okay. I'm gonna let the boys in. Okay, guys, let's go. Ham and Apollo sitting in a tree. All right, you want a treat. I'm gonna give you one more for today. These guys fell in love with these minties. I don't think I can give you more than that. You're a big boy, so you're gonna eat it right there, right? Okay. On camera. So take a look here. Alexa, turn on Seasons Room lights. And there was light. Check it out. Yeah, it's messy in here. I am really sorry about that. And with the wife having a broken ankle, it's just been kind of tough. But I wanted to show you again the features. That the reason I bought it was lifting up the handles. Amazing. And now let's see how the leg things work. That's over here. Oops. Sorry. Oh yeah, I think she's gonna really like this. I am surprised that there is no real instructions on this thing. No. Alright, this is locked in. And this is okay. So I think what I gotta do, I gotta turn this 180 degrees. Obviously it looks not good. So alright, so let's squeeze these here. I like it. Can you guys see it? It's got a nice profile view. It's a nice color. It doesn't look like those old-fashioned ones. So here's what it looks like mechanically, just like this. And you have these two holes right here. I'm hoping you can see it. There's two holes right here, and then this is the latching mechanism, so they stay on. So we're just gonna, when I was in college, I used to work at my family owned a nursing home. My godfather owned a nursing home. And I worked there in the summer and on part-time during the school year. And look at this. Okay, you just latch it into those two things. And now it's in place. And then you move this somehow. Okay, just like that. And they drop. Look at that. Look at that. And we can move these out of the way for when she gets in. Alright, I don't know what this is for, but I think I will go around and just double check them, because could you imagine what they feel like to... I think the most important thing is the wheels, right? I just have to quick check these things. Check this out here. So, there's Mr. Apollo. I see your guys in front. Well, guys, I can tell you, I'm impressed for the money that I spent, and I don't even have to put it together. I literally was thinking this thing was going to come in pieces, and I'd be putting it all together. Well, this thing is rock solid. Yeah, the main wheels are all. That's all I was really concerned about. So this must just be a tool that we could probably just stick in the pouch here in the back, which I just saw. So this thing also has a pouch in the back. Kind of nice. I just put that tool that they gave me, that wrench in there. And yeah, this thing is kind of ready to go. Let me get my razor blade here without cutting anything. I don't want to be the one to damage it for her, but this is kind of... So guys, the information on this wheelchair will be posted. There'll be a link in the description. If this is something that you are looking to buy, if you use the link, I get a little bit of a commission for it to help maintain my channel. It does not add any cost at all to your purchase, and it's all confidential. I can't see anything. I just get a little bit of I get a few pennies or a couple of bucks to help keep my channel going. But it has no impact on you, and I can't even see who buys it. I just have regular data saying, hey, somebody clicked on your link and they bought it. So if you would do that for me, I would appreciate it. Shoot me an email. I'll send you some swag in the mail. If you're comfortable sharing your address, I'll send you some, I got some keychains and some hats. I can send you guys some really cool Nuts About Cars stuff. If you have time, check out my new website, www.nutsaboutcars.com. And there you'll see that I have 3 channels. I have Nuts About Cars, which is my automotive channel. I have Nuts About Cars at Home, which is stuff that I need to do at home. Being a husband, father, a pet owner, there's always products that we're buying. And there's also Nuts About Cars Storytelling, where we mix, it's called Nuts About Cars Storytellers, where we mix some some factual reality, like when I went to go buy my Trans Am, and then we throw in some fiction or some cool stuff. So it's just basically storytelling. But anyways, have a good day, folks. And don't forget to take care of each other. Check in on anybody that is struggling. It's always a good idea.